In this video, we'll show you how to integrate WiserNotify with Teachable to display real-time student sign-up and their enrollment notifications on Teachable website. There are two key steps for this integration. Webhook Integration automatically pulls sales data from Teachable into WiserNotify. Pixel code installation. Add the WiserNotify pixel to your Teachable pages to display notifications. Let's get started. First, let's add the Webhook integration. Ensure you've created a sales activity notification in WiserNotify. Then go to Customize Sales Activities Notification, navigate to Data Source, and click Add Integration and search for Teachable and click on Integrate. Enter a connection name that is easy to remember. Click Create and copy the Webhook endpoint URL from here. Now, log in to your Teachable account. Go to Settings. Then Webhooks. Click Add Webhook and configure it. Paste the copied WiserNotify webhook URL. Here from Event List. Select New User Sign-up for Lead Activities Notification. Or select New Enrollment for Sales Activities Notification. Activate the Send as JSON Array toggle. Click on Save. Now go back to the WiserNotify app. Close the integration pop-up and make sure you select the Teachable connection in your integration list. Kindly note, the notification will only appear if the selected data source has at least one data. After integration, once you have new data, it will start showing new leads or sales activities. Now let's install WiserNotify pixel code to Teachable pages to show the notification. Go to your WiserNotify account. Navigate to the Install Pixel page. Click Copy Code to copy your Pixel script. Log in to your Teachable account. Navigate to Site and then Code Snippets. Locate the header code section. Paste the copied WiserNotify pixel code into the box. Click Save to apply the changes. Now go to your Teachable web page, reload it a few times to avoid the cache issues, and return to WiserNotify pixel code screen. Click on Verify Pixel Installation to confirm that the pixel code is detected successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer to our troubleshooting option or contact our live chat support for assistance. That's it. You're all set to display real-time notifications on your Teachable pages.